Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Monzo to Lloyds bank account. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button. It actually helps me out. So to get started with the steps, the first thing to do is to open the Monzo app, then launch the Monzo app on your mobile device. Then from there, you have to navigate to the payment section. So tap the payment icon located in the menu bar at the bottom of the screen. Then from there, you have to initiate a bank transfer. So tap on pay someone and select make a bank transfer. Then after that, you have to input the recipient's name, which also you input the recipient account number and the sort code of the Lloyds bank account you are transferring money to. Then after that, you have to specify the amount, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Then from there, confirm the payment, then review all the details to ensure they are correct, then confirm the payment to complete the transfer. And that's how you can simply send money from Monzo to Lloyds bank account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.